Okay, so hey all, I have got lots of stuff to show you. So stay tuned. Woo! Okay, this is like a lot of compartments of my earrings. Yes. And then also one more thing. This is not just the it. I have got huge box of just Indian wedding and party jewelry. So I will be showing you some of them, just some of them, and where I buy it and on what basis I buy my earrings. I have jewelry. I love jewelry. Let me be very honest with you. मुझे jewelry बहुत पसंद है. More than makeup and more than clothes, I actually love jewelry. And I have a huge collection of jewelry, like bracelets, earrings. Earrings I've shown you, necklaces. I have like a lot of necklaces, pendants. So let me just start with earrings because I am very fond of earrings, like extremely fond of earrings. So earrings से शुरू करते हैं. So first let me start with silver jewelry. For example, this jhumka set is pretty old, as you can see here. This I had got it from Archie's. If you guys remember the Archie store, I don't know whether it's still there or not. I had got this from the Archie store for my sister's birthday, but now she doesn't use these, so I kept it. And these are really pretty. I wear these jhumkas usually with all my kurtis and all my salwar kameezes and saris. At times I usually don't wear a sari, but whenever there's any Indian formal outfit that I have to wear, so I wear this. This detachable sort of a hole, as you can see. Put it in like this, and then so these recent pair of polkis, not polki exactly, but polki looking earrings I bought from Silofa. I love Silofa. It's in New Delhi. So whenever you go to New Delhi or if you live in New Delhi, Silofa, for all the beautiful, exotic and unique looking silver jewelry, I definitely recommend you Silofa. It's in GK M Block Market. GK1 M Block Market. When I was in Gurgaon and whenever I had to travel to Delhi for work purposes or just for hanging out and everything, I usually used to go to Silofa. Even my mom loves Silofa, okay? And I highly recommend you because of cute and unique pieces like these. I think you've seen me wearing in one of my videos, I guess. And this latest piece is one of my favorites. Where is the other one gone? I just love these kind of pieces so much. They're so small and they're so pretty looking. They can be useful for going out for dates or going out for a nice party. These can be worn with western. These can be worn with Indian also. I'll show you. This can be worn with this shirt and all also, and it will go so well. Apart from Silofa, there are a lot of other markets that you can try in Delhi, which have the same kind of really good silver jewelry, by the way. Like for example, these. These are again these oxidized ones. I bought it from Janpat. These again are very pretty. Though these are slightly heavy and I usually don't wear it. But these are again really pretty and one of my favorites. These are the kind of Afghan style earrings. I mostly collect my jewelry from random places, like be it a college fest or be it some concert or be it some Diwali Mela or be it any place like Janpat or Silofa, GK, Block Market or anywhere. I'll show you one of my favorite earrings that I usually wear. These this owl one, this is my favorite. I wear with the purple top that I have. It's so simple and so understated and very cool. It's just one of my staple pieces that I really love wearing. I got this from a college fest at NSD, National School of Drama. Very, very pretty, this is brass earrings. I really love this owl shape. It's funky, it's cool, it's actually, it's light. It's other jewelry that I have is hand-me-downs also. So my sister liked the round jhumkas that I showed you were like, not the bell ones, but the first jhumka that I showed you was a hand-me-down from my sister. So this is a gift from my cousin. She had got, her friend made this for her and she gave it to me. And these are really pretty. These are again very light and very, if you want to give like a pop effect and a very funky, cool, girly effect to your appearance, these, you can wear it with like a yellow suit or a yellow dress, pink dress. It's very colorful and it's very light. It's made out of paper, rolled up paper. So these are rolled paper jewelry that I have. I have a necklace made out of rolled paper also, and this. I'll show you one handmade earrings that I made. This was like 10-11 years back when I had got one small jewelry making kit. These handmade earrings that I made for myself. These are quite, I call them the honeybee earrings because of the color of honeybees. I got a lot of praises for it. I keep them as memories. Some small token of memories. Then I have like a lot, but it'll consume a lot of time. So I will just brush through, you know, what I have, my favorite pieces, some pieces here and there. I'm a huge jewelry connoisseur. Okay, let's just leave the French terms. I have a fetish for earrings, huge fetish. This again I bought from Janpat. I had gone with my friend once and I bought these nice fun earrings. I wanted to gift this to my mom, but she was like, you keep it. So I was like, okay. This I wear with my white dress. I just love. The best part about earrings is that it just gives a very aesthetic and a very minimalistic appearance without making it too gaudy. Like, you can choose. If you want a gaudy look, you can wear gaudy stuff. If you want a very minimalistic and a staple look without, you know, being so much heavy and without wearing heavy necklaces and heavy bangles, you can just wear simple earrings. These earrings that I got was from Dilli Haat when I was in class 5. Again, this is a hand-me-down. I had given this to my sister. Then she stopped wearing it. Now I and my mom wear it. Especially me. I wear it with my maroon kurta. I just love this so much. You can see this is kind of a handmade earring. Most of my earrings are actually handmade. Another set of handmade earrings that I made were these out of a broken necklace that just came off. I just decided to make these cute earrings. These earrings I made during the lockdown and I have not got the time to wear it since then. So let me show you this. I got it from a friend. This I had worn it on one of the Diwali occasions only. Very pretty set. This I bought it from my school friend. This I got it from the US, from Target. This one, not Target, no, Macy's. I just got this from Macy's, and this is so intricate and so pretty. This is just foldable like this, and then you can just open it. This one I got from Biba. This is again long golden gold. I'm not joking. Someone thought this was actual gold. I had to tell them this is petal, artificial. This is again I forgot the term, charao. This is charao beadwork or mukesh work. I forget the terms. I want to wear this with a sari. I am thinking of buying a sari. I have the idea of the dress that I want to wear this with, but I don't know on what occasion to wear it. Then I've got these black earrings which are hand-me-down. So my sister used to buy all of these jewelry, and when she got married and moved to the US, she left all of this and now I have it. Sisterly love. ये बहुत ही क्यूट वाले हैं, ये बहुत ही सही में क्यूट वाले हैं. ये मैंने सिलोफर से लिए हैं, सिलोफर जी के एम ब्लॉक मार्केट में। आई एम रिपीटिंग, जी के एम ब्लॉक 1 मार्केट में अगर आपको टाइम मिले तो आप कभी जाइएगा। बहुत प्रिटी इयररिंग्स मिलते हैं। ये मैंने किसी की शादी में भी पहना था। एक टाइम होता था जब ईयर कफ्स ट्रेंड में आते थे, अगर आपको याद हो तो। बहुत सारे मेरे फ्रेंड्स के पास ईयर कफ्स होते थे, तो मेरे पास ईयर कफ के साथ पता प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है, उसके साथ ना आप ईयरिंग पहन सकते कोई ढंग की, ना आपको उसका साइज देखना पता है ईयरिंग का। ये बहुत ही सुंदर विंटेज हैंड पीस है, ये मेरी मॉम का था। इट्स क्वाइट ओल्ड पीस। दिस इज अगेन क्वाइट एन ओल्ड पीस। इवन माई मॉम यूज्ड टू वेयर दिस। दिस इज अगेन व्हाट शुड आई से, कैन दिस कम अंडर विंटेज कैटेगरी? इसका एक वायर थोड़ा लूज हो गया है, but again I really love them. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you do subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and give me any other video ideas if you have any other suggestions, and which was one of your favorite jewelry pieces and favorite jewelry shops. Do leave a comment below. Till then, see ya!